In a move that has sent shockwaves through the whole of NATO and the European Union. President Donald Trump has issued a bold ultimatum to his closest transatlantic ally. Speaking from the White House earlier today, the president reiterated his long-standing ambition to acquire Greenland, threatening to impose a staggering 25% tariff on European goods until Denmark agrees to negotiate the sale of the autonomous territory. This escalation comes after years of intermittent interest. But the current administration has now tied the territory's acquisition directly to international trade policy. European leaders, including British Prime Minister Keir Starmer and French President Emmanuel Macron, have condemned the threat a downward spiral of diplomacy, emphasizing that Danish sovereignty is not for sale. Despite the backlash, the White House maintains that Greenland is vital for American missile defense and Arctic security. In an era of increasing competition with Russia and China, protests under the banner "Hands Off Greenland" have already erupted in Copenhagen and Nuuk. As citizens and lawmakers alike voice their outrage at what they describe as a 19th century approach to modern geopolitics, while some economic analysts warn that such tariffs could devastate the fragile global recovery. The Trump administration appears committed to this high-stakes gamble, arguing that traditional alliances must evolve to prioritize American strategic interests. As the deadline for the proposed tariffs approaches, the international community remains on high alert, watching to see if this diplomatic standoff will lead to a full-scale trade war or a radical redrawing of the Arctic map.